And welcome back. My name is Zane. Today we'll be having a look at Aurora. So what exactly is Aurora? We'll be going through a full in-depth review. We'll also be going through a price analysis and price prediction of this token. Circulating supply of this token, 23 million. Total supply is 1 billion. Max supply is 1 billion as well. And when you look at the history of Aurora, you can see a very progressive history since even 23rd of November last year. It seems like Aurora became live around the 19th of November last year. It's been as high as $35, and this was around January this year, the 17th of January actually. So since then, obviously the market has fallen down quite a bit, but it's been trying to recover, especially with Aurora. And sometimes the price of Aurora was as low as $6.88. But now, as you can see for yourself, the price is around $12, which seems quite reasonable. Now, the market cap, 291 million. That's more reasonable. That's what I'm looking for. That's what I like to see. So the real question is, what can we expect from Aurora in the coming future? In the last 14 days alone, it's actually gone from as low as around $6.98 or $7 to as high as $13 per coin, almost $14, which means that the price has almost doubled in the last 14 days alone. That's quite impressive. This is obviously with 23 million token in circulating supply. As more token get released to the circulating supply, because the max supply, the total supply is enormous, it's huge, it's 1 billion. The price of the token will be diluted as more token is added to the supply. But I have confidence in this crypto because obviously it's a dApp building platform and it will continue to grow within the dApp building community of all cryptocurrency. Realistically, if the supply stays the same for at least the next 3 to 6 months, we can expect the price to reach to at least $20, $25 quite easily. Especially if we experience the next bull run, the crypto bull run that is for 2022. Within the next 3 to 6 months, you can expect this crypto to be as high as $30, maybe even $40, because the ecosystem is vast. But what exactly is Aurora? That's the key question. So it's a solution that allows to execute Ethereum contracts in more performant environments. Near blockchain, a modern layer 1 blockchain, which is fast, 2 to 3 second transactions, finality, scalable and carbon neutral. Now, Aurora is essentially an Ethereum virtual machine EVM implemented as smart contracts on Near protocol. So basically what they want to do is help to scale Ethereum ecosystem for developers to operate their dApps on an Ethereum compatible, high throughput, scalable and future safe platform. With low transactions costs for their users, Aurora wants to provide Ethereum 1.0 development experience with layer 2 like speeds and scalability. So if you are an Ethereum developer, getting started on Aurora is actually easy as changing the RPC endpoints you interact with. So that's more for developers' purposes. And on the note of developers' purposes, Aurora supports all available Ethereum ecosystem. That's MetaMask, Hardhat, Remix, and so on. Additionally, near trustless bridge to Ethereum means even the assets on Aurora are the same on Ethereum. So for example, account balances on Aurora, Ethereum virtual machine are dominated on the same Ether as Ethereum itself. So that, ladies and gents, is a quick introduction to Aurora. And here's some of the services that they basically offer. Rainbow Bridge, transfer tokens between Ethereum, Near protocol, and Aurora. Aurora ecosystem, you can browse their dApps that they have already launched on Aurora. So we will be having a look at that because any dApp building platform is almost a guarantee 10x or guarantee 100x in my opinion. Just look at the history of dApp building platforms from Ethereum to Solana, Terra, Avalanche, Polkadot. Polygon is more of like a scaling solution for Ethereum, but they're still considered a dApp building platform in some retrospect. But however, dApp building platforms are extremely promising. That's my point. You can also build on Aurora. Getting started as easy, like they've said before, like I've said before, changing the RPC endpoint. So you can actually read more about that in their documents. Join their Discord. So they do have a Discord for anyone who wants to connect with the Aurora Labs ecosystem and get to know the community. 9,000 members, 1,800 are online currently. First thing I'd like to look at is basically their ecosystem. The momentum is building. Your guide to what's live today and coming soon on the Aurora network. Submit your project. So Developers can build and submit their projects, so that's brilliant. And they do have a vast library of different dApps on their platform. So it looks like they got anything from bridges to decentralized autonomous organization, DAOs, DeFi, exchanges, explorers, financials, games. So they do have a couple of games at the moment, infrastructures such as DIA, open source Oracle platform that enables market actors to source, supply, and share trustable data. Multi-chain, cross-chain router protocol, envisioned to be the ultimate route for Web3. Now insurance as well, Solace. Solace is a decentralized protocol that provides coverage for liquidity providers in DeFi. They got Launchpad, they have NFTs, that's quite fantastic. They have oracles. They also have stablecoins as well, such as True USD, synthetic assets, utility. They also have wallets. Oh my goodness, that's quite amazing. It's a platform that's building out on a daily basis, on a monthly basis, on a yearly basis. And they're trying to be as diverse as possible in the world of dApp building and dApp development, which in my opinion I've got high regards for that. I've got high expectations for that as well. 1 second average block time, 2 second transfer finality, 0.02 transfer costs. It's quite fantastic. Top crypto projects are already building on Aurora. And this is where it gets really interesting. Take a look. These are some of the top cryptos that are building dApps on Aurora, such as Near Protocol, The Graph, Chainlink, SushiSwap, Curve, Etherscan. These are some big names in the crypto industry, especially Chainlink. These are some of the projects that are built on Aurora already, 98 plus that are built on Aurora already. Aurora's token price. And to prove that it's vast, to prove that it's constantly expanding, you can check out these articles that are available on the Aurora.com website, or the Aurora.dev website actually. Introducing Machina, the world's first proof-of-stake storage solution that is built on Near Protocol. I recommend you checking this out because that's a few key information to show you just how progressive Near Protocol is when it comes to building on Aurora. And let's not forget the Rainbow Bridge 1-year anniversary. That's 365 days have passed since the Rainbow Bridge first launched, 1 year of trustless and permissionless transactions between Near, Ethereum, and Aurora. A year filled with newly supported tokens and constant improvements, a year of confirmation and doubts filled with success. So even if you have love to organize a big party to celebrate, find more interest in something a bit more useful, numbers. So let's wait on longer and let's dig deeper into our favorite bridges, statistics. And they go into statistics indeed. So if you want to check this out, I do recommend it. It will also show you just how progressive Near, Ethereum, and Aurora are becoming, especially Aurora and Near Protocol, because we already know how impressive Ethereum is. There's no need to say more on Ethereum because they're already so impressive. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to see more. Leave a like, leave a comment. And of course, I will see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.